Right off.
Moving.
Take a big breath in and hold it for me. And hold it. And breathe. All right, roll towards.
$34 4 days. 34 weeks and 4 days na tayo mga guys. Dito ako ngayon nag-antay sa ating OB. Katapos lang mag-ultrasound. They are not out. We're home. Sleeping. Another day naman mga guys. Another appointment naman si Buntis. Tapos ko nang maligo. Maglagay lang tayo ng lipstick. Para hindi mag-dry yung ating lips. Hindi talaga ako nagme-makeup. Ayoko rin ng powder. So, yan. Konting lipstick lang. Tsaka, kahapon, nag-ultrasound si baby. Nag-check yung fluid at tsaka nag-practice ng breathing. And today, para naman ultrasound naman sa aking heart, sa aking pacemaker. So, meron tayong to the echo appointment today. Prepare na tayo ng snack for kids. Meron ako dito sliced apple, carrots, and pear. Para ready na. Lagay lang natin sa ziplock kasi medyo malayo. Mga 32 minutes drive yung location natin ngayon. Bawal magutom yung mga junakis. Tapos, another ziplock para sa cinnamon rolls. And mag-blow dry lang ako ng hair. And, alis na tayo. Ito, cinnamon roll. Gustong gusto nila to. Okay, natin yung ziplock. 34 weeks and 5 days na tayo mga guys. Lapit na lumabas yung another kana natin. Ayan. Okay. And then meron tayong water. And this. And the fruit for the kids. So, see you in a bit again, mga guys. Dito na kami. Fancy ng flower, ng room nila dito. Na in there. Cold pa rin. Toilet. Jumping on the bed.
I heard her last night play it. So
Good morning, another day. Woke up in the hospital. Haha. Appointment took, and then ended up here. Kasi, yung echo ko yesterday, yung result is abnormal. Kaya, pinasugod tayo ng OB-GYN natin dito. So, andito kami ngayon sa hospital. Morning. And I don't know kung kailan tayo lalabas. Babies. Everything is okay with the babies. Just with my pacemaker. With my heart. I have my IV and we are just waiting for the breakfast. See you in a bit. Breakfast is nandito na. I ordered egg omelette. And the toast. Fruit buns. And I didn't order milk, but they gave me milk. And daddy's food is, ooh, that's a giant. That's my large muffin.
Sandwiches more.
It's toast, egg, bacon, cheese.